the ultimate manifestation game. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Candice if you're new. On this channel we talk about manifestation, law of attraction, and personal development. If you want to become a powerful creator, hit that subscribe button and join our community. We are growing so fast and I'm so thankful for each and every one of my powerful creators. You guys are creating amazing things in your life. So give yourself a round of applause because that's really awesome. I'm proud of you. In today's video, we are talking about one of my favorite manifestation games. Now this game is super easy to do, and if you truly believe, your manifestation will come into your life in really fast time. I mean, people say they've had theirs come in like 3 days, 4 days, even like 2 weeks. I mean, 2 weeks is nothing when it comes to the rest of your life. So let me tell you about this manifestation game. Before we get started, I would love for you to give this video a big thumbs up because I know that you are gonna like this video already. So thank you so much for supporting the channel by giving it a thumbs up. Okay, powerful creators, let me tell you this manifestation game. Okay, the first step you're going to do is get out a sheet of paper and a pen. Those are the two things you'll need for this game. Now that you've gotten your piece of paper out and a pen, you are going to write down 5 things that you desire. Think about it, 5 things in your life that you desire right now. So maybe you desire to get a text from your ex, or you are desiring a new job. Maybe you really need to move into a new apartment and you are desiring that, or you really want to get a really good grade on the recent test you just took. Start writing down 5 things. Don't be shy. Write down 5 things. Don't be shy about it. And what I mean by don't be shy, write down your desires. Don't write down what you think could happen in your life. Really write down your desires. Don't be shy about it. So now that you've written down the 5 things that you desire, fold the piece of paper, put it in your pocket or put it in your purse, put it somewhere near you so that whenever you go somewhere, you have this manifestation letter to yourself near you. What I like to do, I fold up my piece of paper, I'll put it in my pocket for the day as I'm walking around my place, and then when it's time for me to go to bed, I put it under my pillow, and then I wake up, maybe I have to go to the grocery store, I put it in my purse. I always have it near me. So make sure your manifestation letter is always near you. The next step is every morning and every night, you are going to read out loud your manifestation letter. The 5 things that you desire, you're gonna read it out loud every single morning and night. As soon as you wake up, you're gonna read those 5 things. And then as soon as you go to bed, you're gonna read those 5 things. But you're not just going to just loosely read them. You are going to feel as though you already have them as you read them. So if you're reading out loud that you got the job that you applied to, that means you're going to feel those feelings as if you already had the job you applied to. You already got the call. They've told you you are the candidate that they want to choose to be in that position. You feel those feelings as if your desire is already manifested. Don't forget to visualize it while you are feeling it as well. Visualize you walking through those doors at that new job. Visualize your boss saying, thank you so much for taking the position. I'm super excited to get to know you. You know, feel those feelings and visualize it every single morning and night. The next step is one of my favorite steps, and that is every day start looking for signs that will confirm your manifestation. Now you can do this online. You're scrolling through Instagram and you see someone with a new car. They've just posted about it. They're like, oh my gosh, I bought my first car. I'm super excited. Take it as a sign that your dream car is on its way to you. Or if someone is traveling and doing what they want to do in their lives, they're living their lives, and it feels like they're living the life you want, Don't compare yourself, because that was a sign that it's on its way to you. You're about to go somewhere. You're about to travel somewhere, which is super exciting. So look for signs. You can even look through the numerology, and we'll talk about this in another video, but the signs of triple numbers, 111, 222, 333. Whenever you see those numbers, be aware of it and say, thank you, universe, that you are giving me a sign that my manifestation is on its way to me. And get excited about it. Every time you see a sign that correlates with your manifestation letter, just take it as a sign and get excited about it. That taps into the feeling realm that we've been talking about, and it also gives you a visualization, but it's your opportunity to either take it as a negative thing, to compare yourself and go down this whole spiral of I'm not good enough to have, or looking at your lacks, or you can take it as a sign that your manifestation is on its way to you and you're about to live in it. You're living in it now. You're feeling the feelings as if it's already here. Do it that way. That's a better feeling and visualization way to do it. And the last step, I want you to repeat all these steps for 2 weeks. 2 weeks straight. I want you to be committed to this manifestation game. Do it 2 weeks. And I also want you to come back to this video and let me know how it works for you. I'm not saying that it will take 2 weeks and then you'll see it. Maybe it'll take a day. Maybe it'll take 3 days. Who knows? But I still want you to do it for 2 weeks, because in those 2 weeks, you're gonna see some signs. You're gonna see your manifestation unfold. And I encourage you, when you see your manifestations all line up and you're like, okay, I got all 5 of mine, and it's like week 1. Keep doing this manifestation game. You can desire more things in your life. You can start getting more things for your life in your future. Don't limit yourself. Like we said before, don't be shy about it. Be honest and be excited and feel those feelings as if it's already here, because it's coming, baby. Powerful creators, your manifestation is coming. Start believing that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it and you are going to start doing this manifestation game. Start seeing your desires unfold. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations so that you can get some encouragement every single day of your life. If you like this video, I know you'll like my next video on how to ask the universe for a sign. If you're not seeing signs, here's a way to ask the universe to present more signs to you. I love you so much, powerful creators, and I'm praying for you, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you.